Biblioderive is something that the School of the Art Institute started in 2015, and it is rooted in the situationist theory of derive, which means to drift. And basically it's a disruption of your kind of typical way of moving about a space.
It's like drifting through the library and finding things that catch your eye and making a sort of art piece out of it very intentionally based off of a prompt. So the prompt that I got is pick a paint chip sample from your packet, find 10 objects in the library that match that color, write a poem, make a photocopy collage, or call your mother and describe what you found. Hey there, how's it going?
Good, how about you?
Good, so I'm doing this thing right now in the library for one of my art classes where I had to go around and like collect books of a certain color. When I collected all of them, it told me to call my mom and explain.
I think that they need a better in to research, and I think that this can open up some opportunities for them to explore the library in non-traditional ways.
Home is on the pavement of the nave, close to the central door. We read the Journal of Liquid Chromatography. We read the Journal of Chemical Education, 2,372 pages of communism painted red, some Soviet astronomy strewn across pages of books, zeroing in on the diplomacy of the Cold War, 1978, 1996. We are a country of mechanically mass-produced, exceptional children. That's what I wrote.
I thought it was pretty interesting when I was kind of looking up on online. Some people doing stuff with books. Actually, some of them were destroying them also too. So I was like, wonder if we're gonna destroy these ones.